Unboxing of the Wolfram AW 3000.1. Let's see if I can open this with one hand. Let's see. So you get a one box. That's what you get in the box. Get one of these bracelets. Lanyard. Ooh, decaf. Allen wrenches. Decaf. And he got a little welcome letter. Say thank you. Might be the owner, not quite sure. Again, you get a booklet. So it's a box inside a box. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. You know the bass knob right here. I kind of don't like this bass knob. I like the other one. The other one had a clip indicator. This one doesn't, which sucks. Don't like that. But still got the cell phone connection, which is good. So this is how you get the amp. Straight out the box, looking like this. Not customized. Try it out. Damn, this amp is heavy. There's connection on one side. 0 gauge. Like 8 gauge right here. Then you have this right here. Beautiful amp. Very beautiful. And very, very heavy. The only thing I don't like about it, the bass knob don't have a clip indicator like my old one, which sucks. That's the end of my boxing.